The sky has always been a veil of mystery for humanity. The sparkle of stars, the silence of galaxies, and the endless darkness have fueled our imagination for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations tried to speak with gods by looking at the stars. They used celestial bodies as guides, created calendars, wrote myths. Yet the sky was not only a spiritual symbol, but also a gateway to the unknown. In the second half of the century, humanity went beyond just looking through telescopes. Satellites, spacecraft, and manned missions were sent into space. Humans set foot on the moon, probes landed on Mars. But beyond these achievements, a much bigger question took root in the minds of humanity. Can we ever reach between the stars? The first concrete answer to this question came in 1977, Voyager 1. Launched on September 5, 1977, this spacecraft was not just an exploratory probe, it was proof of humanity's courage to cross its boundaries. Voyager 1 became the first human-made device to leave the solar system and travel into interstellar space. And this journey was not only a scientific adventure, but also a cultural message, a legacy left for the future. Voyager 1's launch took place in the atmosphere of the space race of the 1970s. With this project, NASA aimed not only to study the solar system, but also to save energy by using a rare alignment of the planets. This alignment occurs roughly every 176 years, and the Voyager probes were designed to take advantage of this unique opportunity. Weighing 825 kilograms and equipped with a giant 6-meter antenna, the spacecraft carried cameras, magnetometers, plasma detectors, and cosmic ray counters. It drew its energy from radioisotope thermoelectric generators, powered for years by the radioactive decay of plutonium-238. Its first target was Jupiter. But this journey was more than a mission lasting a few years. It was the beginning of an adventure spanning decades. When it reached Jupiter in 1979, Voyager 1 sent images that exceeded even humanity's imagination. Active volcanoes were detected on its moon Io. These were the first volcanic activities observed on another celestial body. Io's surface is constantly changing, its rivers of lava and clouds of ash making the moon almost alive. Europa, on the other hand, was covered with a thick sheet of ice. The cracks on its surface indicated the presence of a liquid ocean underneath. This discovery strengthened the possibility that evidence of life exists elsewhere in the universe besides Earth. Jupiter's immense magnetic field and its effect on the moons were also studied in detail. These observations revealed not only the visual grandeur of the planets but also the complexity of cosmic processes. Then, in 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn. Its rings appeared only as thin strips through telescopes from Earth. But Voyager 1's close-up images showed that the rings are a complex system made up of thousands of thin particles. Gaps, waves, and particle streams led to entirely new theories about the formation of planets. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, with its thick atmosphere, was a mystery box. Its nitrogen-filled atmosphere, rich in methane and other organic compounds, resembled Earth's early period. This structure made Titan one of the most attractive targets for future research on the origins of life. Voyager 1's observations of Saturn were so valuable that NASA decided to send the probe toward interstellar space instead of directing it to Uranus and Neptune. Thus began its main adventure, to go beyond the boundaries of the solar system. As years passed, in 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, passing through the region where the sun's magnetic influence weakens. This was an historic moment for humanity. Now, the environment beyond the solar system was directly observed. Voyager 1 measured the density of interstellar plasma waves, directions of magnetic fields, and the properties of gases. Even in 2025, it still detects subtle plasma waves, providing unique data to help understand the structure of our galaxy and interstellar interactions. The longevity of this journey was made possible by engineering marvels. Thanks to its radioisotope generators, it still produces power, but a little less each year. Therefore, some instruments had to be shut down. In 2023, one of the probe's memory chips malfunctioned and Voyager 1 began sending meaningless data to Earth. NASA engineers skillfully rerouted the software to fix the issue. In 2025, backup thrusters that had been switched off since 2004 were reactivated. To save energy, some instruments such as the cosmic ray detector were shut down, yet the probe continues to send regular data to Earth. Voyager 1's journey was not limited to scientific data. The golden record it carries is a symbolic greeting from humanity to the universe. The disc contains greetings in 55 languages, sounds of birds and waves, human heartbeats, music from different cultures and photos depicting life on Earth. Ranging from Bach to Chuck Berry, African tribal tunes to Asian melodies, this diversity represents the richness of humanity's culture. In 2025, the European Space Agency sent Johann Strauss II's Blue Danube Waltz to Voyager 1, underlining this cultural mission again. Thus, Voyager 1 became not only a spacecraft, but a cultural bridge opening to the universe. Today, Voyager 1 continues its journey at a distance of more than 24 billion kilometers from Earth. Every day it grows a little more silent, but it keeps sending data. Scientists predict information can be received from the probe until the 2030s. After that, Voyager 1 will drift quietly through the depths of the galaxy. Perhaps no civilization will ever find it. Or perhaps it will fall into the hands of another civilization billions of years from now. No matter which scenario comes true, Voyager 1 has already cemented its place in history as humanity's first interstellar envoy. This long journey reminds us, there are no boundaries before science and curiosity. As humanity reaches for the stars, every discovery brings new questions, every journey gives rise to new hope. For every star is an opportunity, every journey carries a hope. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to hear your opinions about Voyager 1's journey and your dreams about the universe. What else do you think humanity can discover? Let's meet in the comments.